When it comes to enhancing the look, functionality, and comfort of your home in Clinton Township, few architectural features offer as many benefits as bay windows. Bay windows have been a popular choice for homeowners for centuries, and their timeless design continues to provide numerous advantages, both aesthetically and practically. If you're looking to elevate your home's style, improve your views, and increase its overall value, installing bay windows could be a fantastic option. Enhance curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of bay windows is the visual appeal they bring to the exterior of a home. Bay windows protrude from the side of a house, creating a striking, three-dimensional feature that catches the eye. In a suburban community like Clinton Township, where homes are often spaced evenly, a bay window can set your home apart from others on the block. The elegant design of a bay window can transform an otherwise ordinary facade into a charming, inviting space. Whether you have a traditional colonial home or a modern ranch-style house, bay windows can seamlessly blend with various architectural styles and instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Increase natural light. Bay windows are designed to allow for more natural light to flood into a room. The structure of a bay window consists of 3 windows set at angles that extend outward, creating additional space and opening up the room to natural sunlight. In Clinton Township, where the winters can be long and cold, having more sunlight can have a significant impact on your home's ambiance. Sunlight not only brightens a room but can also help reduce the need for artificial lighting, lowering your electricity costs. The extra daylight can also contribute to a warmer atmosphere, making your home feel more welcoming and comfortable. Capture beautiful views. Clinton Township offers picturesque views, whether you're overlooking lush suburban streets, wooded areas, or open green spaces. Installing bay windows is one of the best ways to take full advantage of the scenery around your home. By projecting outward, bay windows create a panoramic view, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of nature right from your living room, bedroom, or kitchen. Whether it's enjoying the changing colors of the seasons or simply watching the neighborhood from the comfort of your home, bay windows provide an excellent vantage point that traditional windows can't match. Expand living space. Another standout benefit of bay windows is the additional interior space they provide. Since bay windows project outward, they create a small alcove inside your home. This added space can be used in many different ways, from building a cozy reading nook to adding a small seating area where you can relax and enjoy your views. If you're looking for ways to make your home feel more spacious without undergoing a full renovation, bay windows are an easy solution that adds both functional and visual square footage. This can be especially valuable in smaller homes or rooms that feel cramped, like a compact living room or bedroom. Increase home value. Installing bay windows can have a direct impact on your home's value. Due to their aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and the added space they provide, homes with bay windows tend to attract more interest from potential buyers. In Clinton Township, where property values are influenced by both curb appeal and modern amenities, investing in bay windows is a smart way to make your home more marketable. Bay windows can make a space feel more luxurious, which is an important selling point when the time comes to put your home on the market. Improve energy efficiency. Bay windows, when properly installed with energy-efficient glass and weatherproofing, can help improve your home's energy efficiency. Their design allows for better insulation compared to traditional flat windows. The extra layers of glazing can reduce heat loss in the winter and keep the home cooler during hot summers. This can help lower your heating and cooling costs, which is especially important in Clinton Township's fluctuating climate. Over time, the energy savings can offset the initial investment in the bay windows, making them a cost-effective long-term solution. Personalization and style. Finally, bay windows offer plenty of room for personalization. You can choose the type of materials, such as wood, vinyl, or fiberglass, to match the aesthetic of your home. There are also various styles of bay windows, including angled, bow, or circular configurations, which can be tailored to suit your design preferences. Customizing the design of your bay window ensures that it complements your home's unique character while adding an elegant touch to any room. Conclusion. The benefits of installing bay windows in Clinton Township homes are clear. From enhancing curb appeal and increasing natural light to improving your views and energy efficiency, bay windows are a valuable addition to any home. Not only do they create a cozy, functional space within your home, but they also offer the potential for increased home value and long-term energy savings. Whether you are looking to improve your living environment or increase the overall value of your property, bay windows are a smart investment that can pay off in numerous ways.